Hey again, this is Andy from potatoesandpearls.com, and in this video I have pulled my air fryer out and I have made fried zucchini sticks in the air fryer. I love zucchini sticks. When I go to Cheesecake Factory, it's pretty much all I order. And I am going to show you how to make this quick and easy snack party appetizer right after this. I grow my own zucchinis every year, so this is one of the zucchinis from my backyard. It's about the length of my arm, so I'll just be using one zucchini, but typically if I'm using a store-bought zucchini like in the winter time, I'll use about 2 or 3. This probably equals about 3 zucchinis right here by itself. So I've chopped that up and I have my sticks. This isn't the whole zucchini. Actually, I threw away some pieces, that like some end pieces and things like that I didn't feel like fit into a zucchini stick shape. And so what I'm gonna do is dump these into a mixing bowl and put about a half a cup of flour into the bowl. I'm going to try to lightly coat all of these sticks. And with the flour, you're gonna see me add in a little bit of garlic powder. I would maybe say about 2 tablespoons, but it's really just how you like garlic flavor. If you don't like garlic, you don't have to add it, but it's something that I like to put in there. And so I'll go ahead and stir this up to make sure that the pieces get just lightly coated into this flour garlic mixture. Once I've covered the sticks, I then get together my egg mix, which is just 2 eggs scrambled up, and panko and salt. And I do this 1 stick at a time. Some people like dump everything together. I don't with this because that's how both mixtures end up getting really lumpy and gross. So I just do 1 stick at a time. I mean, if I use like a bigger plate or bigger container, I could probably do a couple sticks at a time or 3 sticks at a time. But just for the purposes of this video, I'll do 1 at a time. And I am adding it into the air fryer basket. I put a little bit of olive oil at the bottom, just a little bit. With an air fryer, remember, you don't need the oil, so it's just a light coating kind of to help with it not sticking or potential burning to the bottom of the pan. And so I'm making sure that there is enough space in between each one of the sticks, and I've gotten a few here in the basket, and as you can see, there is space around them. They're not all stacked on top of each other, which is what you want so you can get an even cook and you don't end up with like weird parts. And so you're gonna have it on 350 and you're gonna keep it in there for about 6 to 8 minutes. And this is what it looks like when it comes out. They're nice and brown. And I'm going to just put them in some aluminum foil. I like to put a little Parmesan on top as I'm cooking the batches. If you have a bigger air fryer, you'll probably be able to make more at a time. And I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this batch. I finished the rest of my zucchini sticks. As you can see, they have that nice golden brown coating. If you see any little like white spots, I like to sprinkle Parmesan on top. Sometimes I use the shredded Parmesan, but I didn't have that this time, so I just used the kind that comes in the shaker can. And we're done. A simple, easy party snack, appetizer, whatever, whenever you want to have it. I like to dip them in ranch. They're just a great snack and a great way to get your vegetables. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed and you like food, you like traveling, you like home ideas, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I am going to include the ingredients down in the description box, and I will see you guys later. Bye.